Hi everyone, this is Camille. Welcome to our channel Try to DIY. Today we're actually going to do some gardening renovation. So it's been a while since we find a durable solution to have this garden weedless. We tried multiple solutions and nothing worked until now. And we're sharing with you our experience and how we did it and what the result was. I started by removing the weeds and an old fabric we tried last year to stop the weeds from growing, which obviously completely failed. Then my next step was to reduce the tree stump in the garden. I started with an old school saw, but I forgot we had an electric chainsaw, and Sean reminding me after I tried to cut that stump for at least 1 hour. So it was the first time for me using a chainsaw, and it was super scary for me. So honestly, I would advise people that are not comfortable using those kind of tools not to use them. I didn't try it until I was really ready, and when I did, it was actually really enjoyable, and the model we have is actually very easy to manipulate, so I'm probably going to use that again on another project. I used a flat wood drill for digging the center of the stump to create a flower pot. Then I used a hammer and a chisel to break the in-between parts. Even though it was an old tree stump, the wood was still fresh, and so I was struggling to dig that pot, and at this point I tried a variety of tools. So this part of the garden was actually a nightmare for us. We couldn't keep it tidy, so we tried to find a solution that was durable and that allowed us to do minimal work every year to keep it nice. So we did came up with this solution of putting a plastic film, which is a special film for gardening, and putting stone on top of it to avoid those weeds to grow. To properly fix that tarp to the ground, you would use those kind of plastic nails. However, I didn't have enough of them, so I created some kind of staples from recycled metal wire, and I will be able to plant those into the ground as well. It was a lot of stone. It was a lot of hard work, heavy at the end of the day. Honestly, my body hurted everywhere for like a couple days after I lifted those stones. So if you do a project like that, just go slow, don't hurt yourself. So since it was a low budget project, The only thing I really purchased was the plastic that I put underneath the stone. And in terms of plant, there were already some that I preserved, and some of them I actually found them in other places in my garden. They were actually growing by themselves but weren't placed very well. And I'm honestly not really sure if they're gonna survive or not, but I'll probably keep you updated on social media through the years to show you if they actually survive to this project or not. To add some new plants, you just need to cut an X shape in the fabric and tuck the corners underneath.
No. You rest avec mama. You rest avec mama. That's you.
So this is the end for this part of the garden. But there are other parts of the garden that we would like to clean up and do similar project with. So if you are interested to see more projects like that, please let us know in the comment below. If you want to see more gardening, more renovation, since it's kind of new in this channel, let us know please. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. À bientôt!